Hello students, in the present problem that I am going to explain you that how to draw an epicycloid when the diameters of the rolling and directing circles are equal. So here, how do we need to go ahead for its construction? I am going to explain to you in this video. So it is given that the diameter of the rolling circle generating circle or rolling circle, both are same. It is given around like 50 mm, and generating circle and diameter of rolling circle diameter of directing circle, that is equals to 50 mm, whose radius will be around like, both of them radius will be around like 25 mm. Is equals to 25 mm. So in order to calculate the angle, so how do we need to go ahead for the angle of revolution, for that angle for generating a curve? So that what is the angle that we are about to be calculating it? So by radius of generating circle by radius of directing circle, that is into 360 degrees. So as it seems to be that both are same, that it's around like 25 mm by 25 mm into 360 degrees, that which seems to be the angle of rotation for one complete, for obtaining the curve for complete one revolution, it is around like 360 degrees. Now we shall see ahead for going the construction. Using compass, measure 25 mm length as a radius. Look at the point here as center O as a center. Draw the circle. Draw the circle using 2H pencil. And draw the line from O, where it touches, mark the point as P. Now without disturbing the radius, OP length, P as the center, draw another arc above and extend the line further. Where it touches the arc, mark that point as C. Now with CP length, C as a center, draw another circle. Now this is what my directing circle, and this is my generating circle. Now divide the generating circle into 12 equal parts. at the point P, mark the point as 12, give the marking as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at what we discussed earlier. Now, using the compass, OC length, O as a center, draw the locus of center arc, so which is at an angle of 360 degrees. Do it around like complete rotation. This is what you got it, a locus of center of curve. Now, similarly, now go ahead for dividing it into 12 equal parts. As what we have done, the circle into 12 equal parts. Now divide this locus of center arc into 12 equal parts. Using pro circle, setting it to 0, mark the divisions, so such that it divides into 12 equal parts. So just mark the necessary points over there. This is the point C, C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8, C9, C10, C11, and this is the C12, or you can say as the point as C also. Now, using the compass, now go ahead for drawing the curve from each and every point of the circle. So now O from the point, O as a center, O1 length, draw the circle. Now similarly do it from the point O2, similarly O3, O4, O5, and O6 also. O6. So if required, you can just extend the lines from the locus of center towards the O. If not so, not required. Now as what we have drawn this all the arcs O for its revolution over on the point of this. Now taking CP length, C1 as a radius, cutting an arc on the first circle, and similarly do it C2 as a center, cutting an arc on the second circle, C3 as a center, cutting an arc on the third circle, C4 as a center, fourth circle. Simultaneously, in order to avoid confusion, mark the necessary points so such that it can be easily identified. Now next, C5 as a center, fifth arc, and C6 as a center, sixth arc, C7 as a center, seventh arc, C8 as a center, eighth arc, C9 as a center, ninth arc, C10 as a center, 10th arc, and C11 as a center, 11th arc. So where this is a points that what it joins, marking the necessary points, C7, CH, so starting from the points, just go ahead for drawing them by joining the curves. Starting from C, joining all the curve points, C1, C2, C3, this is how do we get the curve for the cardioid. So initially, as it is asked for us in the question, suggest an alternative name for this. So as what we are about to go ahead for, suggesting a name for this one as maintaining two parallel lines over at the point of this, writing them with freehand, this is what we are about to mention it as cardioid. Thank you.